Warning.
I woke up, it was 7, waited till 11 just to figure out that no one would call. I think I've got a lot of friends, but I don't hear from them. What's another night all alone? When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid, and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid.
Where are you? OTW. How about you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. Oh, I'm glad to hear that. Oh yeah, I will wait you here in Camille's Lechon. Okay. Don't worry. Be happy. Where's the others? They're waiting for us. Let's go. Tapos. Kunin mo lang. Kunin mo lang. Hey, go man! Yo man! Takas man! Good luck man! Let's drink! Hey man! Let's get out of here! Yeah. Good man. Want someone else? Malboro. Malboro man. Bolton. Okay. Hey no man. Man. Hey, we've been to London to visit the Queen. Oh. Oh, really? I don't know, man. Let's cheers! Cheers! Oh, you can now stop the camera. Bukas kayo naman, no? Bukas kami. Yung dalawa. Hey man, let's have some fun. Let's party. Oh, where? At the house of the beat. Okay, let's go man. Wait man, before we go, let's invite the others. Okay. Can I borrow your phone? Okay, sure, why not? Thanks. Hello? I'm here at our background with my cousin backyard with my cousin Moses. Why? Do you have a time? Of course, why? Okay, no problem. What's up? Please. Okay, where's Kevin and Blanco? Oh, speaking of the Debbie, here they are. Yo man. What's up man? Lakas yan, friend. Walang to.
Yes, your studies.
How's your studies? How's studies, man? Always fail and drop. Let's not talk about that. Okay, cheers.
Ano naman, man? Hey, man. Can you give me some advice?
Oh, sure. What kind of device?
I failed my 2 subjects.
Oh my God.
Why are you laughing at me, man?
No, I'm not
I'm
laughing,
serious,
man.
man.
No. Sorry.
Usap-usap to ng English.
Pre, ano sasabihin namin, pre? Bukas na kayo. Bukas na lang, no?
Ayun, man.
I forgot. I really don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, you know. Ay, pre.
Now you know. No, man.
Man, just drink it.
I don't yes.
Want some? Hey, Kevin.
Why?
Oh my God.
OMG, man. Oh my God.
SCW?
Yes.
LOL.
WTF, man.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go now, let's go. No.
No more.
Let's go. Party, man. Oh, okay.
I don't like.
Okay, big shot.
And
What are
yeah, man. And the queen is me. And you?
the king?
The king.
The king.
Oh.
Oh. The king. What? You have something to tell me?
Oh man, can you teach me how to dog it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're so
Oh.
Thank you, man. Why? Baliktad yan, man. Bukas gawin natin. Sige.
Drink. Man. I'm not anymore, man. Oh, why? You're dead drunk?
Yeah. Step here. Oh.
Yeah. Ew.
You found my follow, man. You found it, man.
What do you want, man? Oh. Kill, man. You want to hit too? Oh, chill, man, chill. I want some smoke. Smoke, man. There. You want me? Like, takabal yan eh. Kato muna.
Sarap ng buhay na magtutulak. Yeah.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Hey, what's up?
Brother Beat. We heard that all of you are not going to school regularly. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You know, guys, so much drinking is dangerous to your health.
That's right, man.
If I were guys, it's time for a change. We
Yeah.
go to school regularly.
Yes. Background. Sa ngayong araw na to, pinapakilala ko sa inyo, in the left corner, Kiko Maniac in the house! In the right corner, Peter Libog in the house! Patay na to, sila'y magtutunggali sa labanang pagalingan ng banat. At sa inyo, pinapakilala ko ang pinakamagandang babae sa loob ng sip-sip tank, Neneng Buba! Sampol! 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 Nakainikan! Nakainikan! Oh! Round 1. JNP! Hop! Ano ba yan? Pauna ka na!
Laka, men.
Laka!
Ang nararamdaman ko sa'yo, parang lesson namin sa math.
Bakit?
Wala ba
Laka!
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Laka! Hop! Wala!
Ikaw na. Keyboard ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi type kita eh.
Okay, at sisimulan natin ngayon ang round 2. Hop! JNP!
Laka.
Laka! Hop! Ako na mauna.
Laka. Kriminal ka ba?
Bakit?
Ibigay ka sa lahat, wag mo lang ako saktan.
Laka! Laka!
Ako na. Buta ka ba?
Bakit?
Sumisilip ka kasi sa paningin ko eh.
Oh, katimikan! Katimikan! Katahimikan! Katahimikan! O ngayon, sa araw na to at ang nanalo ay si Peter Libog in the house! Ayun natin na natin ang shift round. At pinapakilala ko sa inyo ang defending champion na si Boy Pick Up!
Laki!
Katahimikan! Katahimikan! Round 1. Ito na mauna.
Mag-shift na ako ng pharma.
Bakit?
Pharmahalin mo ko.
Yeah!
Wag mo na yan, yung parang i-edit na lang mamaya.
Bak? Madami kasi dito eh. Ayun oh! Katahimikan! Katahimikan! Round 2.
Peanut ka ba?
Bakit?
Peanut, titibok mo kasi ang puso ko eh.
Nagugutom ka ba? Bakit? Wala tayo kasi ako. Ang layo ng gago na. Guys, sino nag-okay?
Boy, pick up!